Hey guys, if you're looking for a 13-foot garage and a toy hauler that's only about 7,400, little over 7,400 dry weight, this is easy to pull. A lot of people are looking for this in the market. It's right here. We got it happening. This is Frank with Motor Sportsland. This is the 2513 Stealth that does have a 13-foot garage, has a back patio system that comes down and becomes your back patio with your playpen and your drop-down screen for some breeze through here. You have the kids in here, you're kicking it, it's raining, and you want that breeze coming through. It's a great concept. You do have your Happy Jack beds. These actually roll over, obviously set into the dinette area. These roll over and make a bed on the bottom. Obviously your bed on top. If you just want this without this, you can actually pin this up on top. So this is out of your way completely until you need this for sleeping purposes. But very simple, easy to use. This is a big dance floor and it's also loadability. You got 3 tie downs, 2,500 pound tie downs each. You've got a bunch in here, 13 foot. Your razors, your 4-seaters, they're gonna fit in here. It's also the wide body. Check it out. The reason why they don't have the oven, and we've had a lot of people ask, why not? The ovens actually take up space. We have a convection microwave oven. It's a great big, beautiful convection microwave. They do awesome. I've actually did a couple rotisserie chickens. It's like an air fryer. It really is, works great as your oven. 2-burner stove with the center in the middle here, so 3-burner altogether. They have shrunk this counter space in for loadability for your toys, making it very versatile. Fireplace sets up for your ambiance, which is beautiful, but it's also a heating source. So you can actually kick this on the fan, it'll heat up to 400 square feet comfortably, take the nip out of the air. You run your furnace, it does have tank pad heaters. There's a switch on the control panel. Cold weather camping, total wrapped underbelly. We're blowing warm air into the underbelly and those tank pad heaters. Talk about a very, very versatile trailer to take out for your hunts, for snowmobiling, for all kinds of stuff you can load up in here. Going into your cabinets, I love how they use all this. Soft close hinges. We got big, deep cabinets up here. You can, I've got plate space, guys. We all know that, right? This is nice frosted glass. This is all wood. It's not a wrapped wood system. It's not particle board that'll expand over time. We've probably seen that in the past, but you can fit stuff in these. It's a nice deep cabinet space. This here, your one farm sink, big sink with this cover over top, which is kind of nice. Drain your dishes and everything after you've kind of washed things, or use this for counter space. Stainless steel sink, does have a water filtration system in the unit as well. Underneath cabinets where you don't have the oven, I love how they give you all this additional space as well. Once again, soft close hinges. You do have cabinet space underneath here as well. All your literature, information in your bags comes with this, so you can learn about your products. Cool concept for the TV. This will kick out. It's an extension mount. You pop this down, unlocks it, and this kicks out, and you can actually turn the TV to have the kiddos, if they're laying in bed, watch a movie at night while you're out by the fire, or vice versa. You never know. 12-volt refrigerator. This is a nice big deep refrigerator without the propane fins back here. You've probably seen those in the past. Gives you a lot more cubic space, but 10 cubic foot refrigerator, separate freezer, which is once again pretty deep freezer, hold a lot of stuff in here. Now, people ask about the refrigerators and the 12-volt system. It does run off your batteries. Now your batteries without solar will trickle charge down. It's about a 2.6 amp draw per hour. Your solar panels are charging 14 to 16 amps plus per hour. So very efficient refrigerator. This does have a 200 watt panel on the roof. So that comes with standard on the factory. Now, as far as your venting goes, when you have a toys in here and you want any fumes or anything to vent through, you just grab this, turn this, and this will actually grab that vent, grab that air, and it'll actually kick across, and there's a secondary one down the bottom corner. This will actually vent all the way through and just continuously vent as you're driving down the road. Lock that up. You get any bad weather, make sure that's closed up. We're gonna go check out the bedroom. All right, guys, check this out. King size bed in here. You do have nice big deep. You have a little pole back here for hanging your clothes, plus a little drawer. Once again, soft close hinges. Can't say enough about that because I love them personally. These drawers on both sides, and you do have a pocket space in the back for both areas, left and right of the bed, which has a 110 outlet and it has USB ports on both sides. You do have additional huge. Now you can't really see it. Hopefully we got some photos of this, but this goes way back. This is a huge storage area, all 3 locations. You do have a ceiling fan in the bedroom, which is really nice. Let me add this. 15,000 BTU air conditioner vented all the way through. So you have 2 AC vents up in the ceiling here, but that 15, we've upgraded that to 13.5 to the 15 to give you a lot more air conditioning. The emergency window, this will open up. You do have this access emergency window on that side where you do have a cross breeze through here, plus your ceiling fan if you don't want to run the AC and you got perfect sleeping weather up in the mountains. Great thing to have. I'm going to walk through the Jack and Jill bathroom here. So you can see it's a walk around bed. This is very convenient. Has storage up under the bed as well. A little pocket and then underneath for totes or shoes or anything like that. Very simple, easy, 2 cams to break that up and down. Going into the shower, you've got plenty of room in here. This is another, I'm about 5'11", so I've got another 1.5 feet or so up to the ceiling, but really nice setup. When you do close this up, I love this fabric that they use in here instead of a glass door. You get a little bit of bump, you can have a little bit of play with your elbows as you move around the shower. A really nice, convenient setup. Toilet with a foot flush, that's a pretty nice setup right there. This is gonna be your control system for your on-demand hot water, your switches, fan, light switches, everything set up right here, accessible to 110 outlets, and additional cabinet space up on top over the vanity itself, the mirror, and a stainless steel sink. Okay, and just additional up here, we kind of talked about this, a 200-watt solar panel. You do have the 15,000 BTU AC, 35,000 BTU on the furnace. Control panel, control systems all right here, which is nice. Tank pad heaters we talked about is right here. All your light switches, generator start, hours for your generator, and then this is your solar panel digital reader. You're gonna see your amperage coming in here from your solar panels, and you'll back up what I'm saying. As far as your amperage coming in, on a cloudy day, it'll be a little less, but you still see this every single day. And then you can really judge that as far as your refrigerator goes, pulling that amperage draw. You're gonna see the efficiency of that. All right, talk about a versatile toy hauler, guys. This is awesome. I absolutely love the size of this, everything, the functionalities of everything. We've all seen the solid steps in the industry before. They fold up inside, right? But when mama's already, or daddy's already swept out the inside and brought everything out, the last thing up is the stairs. Any kind of stuff that's on top of those stairs, you're gonna just pop right back inside. But this is pretty convenient where you just tip these up. You can leave them folded, but give them a little tap, drop everything off of there, fold them all the way down, bring them on in. If you do have something that kind of comes close to your loadability on the inside, and those solid steps that actually sit out like this take up a little more room, this actually just takes away from that room on the inside of that door when those steps go in. So think about that as well. Nice handle. I love how this just folds, tucks away, put a pin through there for transport. You need it, pull it out, slide it out. You got a good solid handrail all the way in. The awning, can't say enough about that. Nice big awning. It's pretty close to about, 3/4, if not more, of the total coach on the side that's actually being shaded. I love this feature where you do have a little bit of rain developing, and we do this all the time, where you gotta have to tilt that down, and it's kind of a pain to kind of struggle. All you gotta do is just pull on this. That's it. Now you're tilted down. That water's going to run down off to this side. Set a bucket over here. We do that with a little basin. Drop the rainwater in there. Use it as a foot wash, or some people for a dog bowl. A little extra water. Set that back up again. You're sitting flush. You do have your fuel station, which is on the camp side, which is kind of nice. So you have your power turn on. This comes out to about a 6-foot hose, a little nozzle, just like at the gas stations. Very easy to use. 80-inch. We talked about this 80-inch wide garage on the inside, and 3-season door prep as well. So the 3-season door, we're gonna come around the back side. We do have an option to put the 3-season doors in here, but the way we've ordered from the factory, it's a drop down with the screen. Window, plastic window rolls up, and you have that screen, so for ventilation is really nice. Your playpen, that becomes another dance floor back here, guys, and I love the dance, but this is awesome. You can set up about 1,800 pounds plus on the deck itself. So set your chairs out here, barbecue, have a couple people out here checking out the sunset. This is absolutely amazing. You have small kiddos or dogs, pets, anything like that. Keep them, housed inside of here, which is pretty convenient. Easy to set up. This just totally folds away. You've got your back gate back here. If you want to devise any kind of step or stair back here, you can do that, but fully access here. And it's such a convenient little setup. It's pretty cool to set out here. You do have 2 LED lights, spotlights in the back for lighting, and a Voyager camera prep. So if you want to do a backup camera talk to us. Our parts store sells them. They're amazing. Helps you back up. You can have it on full time as you're cruising down the road, so you have a vision out the back. You know, switching lanes, you can see what's happening. Your adjustments are pretty easy on these cables too. A lot of people do ask about them. This actually, is turnbuckle will actually turn, and you can bring that up or down as you need to get that level playing field. These do come with the scissor jacks, so quick, easy setup. Crank those down. We've all seen them. We've probably all used them, but pretty easy setup. Now, your fuel tank fill, it's on the other side for your pump, but you fill up here on the driver's side. Makes it convenient. You pull in, fill your truck up, fill your camper up right behind it. 30 amp plug right here, single AC. That's all we need is a 30 amp. Has a setup, the cable comes with it, which is pretty convenient. Coming down here, your furnace exhaust, right above. Easy furnace exhaust system, everybody knows what that is, but you are using this as a furnace like your house. This will exhaust all spent fumes, so you don't have to worry about anything inside. Your dumps are right here, gray and black water, separate dumps. Your valves are right here for your dumps. Very simple setup. Access right here for just a little pocket access for there's some storage. And then we do have 4500 NPS generator, which is going to be inverted technology. A lot of people ask if it's an inverter itself in there. It's not. What it is just gives you and delivers clean power. Simple as that. Spare tires up front, up underneath. Battery area is right up front here in this tray. Takes up to 2 batteries. You can do lithium batteries. A lot of conversations about lithium batteries, which is awesome. They have heated versions, non-heated, and the ones we carry, which we absolutely love and sell a lot of, are the Lions brand. They're a lifetime warranty. We'll talk to you more about that in our parts department. Coming in here, we got a nice little pocket storage up front, so we don't have the pass-through storage, but nice to put a bunch of stuff in there that you need to. Out front again here, just to finish off around the corner, 2 110 outlets. You want to set up a TV out here if you're at a park or you got any kind of satellite system, Starlink, anything like that. You're running any kind of feed, it'll come through here, set up a TV, and you can watch TV outside here. Tankless water heater. Now, a lot of people asking about this. We'd love to talk more about it, which is fantastic, but it's just unlimited hot water. So you're talking about on the dry camping anywhere, or if you're plugged in, you've got unlimited hot water. We'll go through that with you as well. Hi guys, Frank here with Motor Sportsland. Thanks for watching. Hit that like below, and we do have current online pricing. We have 2 locations, Spanish Fork and Mill Creek. Come see us. Let's go walk the lot.